What's up, guys? Bryan Lebo here with your Las Vegas market update video for May 2019. It's been a really busy month, so I apologize for getting this video up so late. But in the meantime, let's just dive right in and make it pretty quick. First up is last month's sales. We sold 2,658 homes in April. This was down literally 10 homes from April of last year. Now, considering just how dismal sales have actually been this year, think January down 21%, February down 10%, then in March we were down 18%. So considering we were only down 10 homes last month, I'd say this is actually a really good sign. Okay, next let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, median home prices. As you can see on the screen now, we ended last month with a median price of $298,850. This was a little over a $1,000 decrease in median price from March. Now, let's deep dive into this a little bit. So far this year, the median price has been really bouncing back and forth. Technically, we're actually down from the median price set in January since we were sitting at $300,000 back then. So how does this really compare against previous years? Let's look at the last 3 years for a quick second. Okay, last year at this time, the median price was up 7.5% for the year. In 2017, we were up 4.2%. Finally, in 2016, we were up only 1.4%. But that same year in 2016, the median price only went up 6%. So while it's not exactly good news that median price is flat, it also doesn't mean that the end of the world is coming. Okay, next up is our current inventory levels. You can see now on the screen that we ended the month with 7,618 homes on the market without offers. This was a 3.6% increase over the previous month and puts us at almost double what we had the same time last year. Okay, last but not least, let's break down our inventory. Only 1.2% of the market are now short sales, 1.5% are foreclosures, and that leaves 97.3% as normal or traditional sales. Ironically, these numbers are completely identical to the previous month. So needless to say, there's not much movement at all in the world of foreclosures. So let's quickly wrap this up. Sales are pretty flat, median home prices are equally flat, and our inventory is still continuing to increase a little bit. Fortunately, the increase is quite slow and manageable. So where are we actually at? Well, I'm seeing homes start to actually move again lately. There's no doubt that the market is heating up for the summer, but if we don't start seeing any price increases this month, it could easily spell a flat year entirely for appreciation. I said at the beginning of the year that we'd likely see normal appreciation, which is roughly 4%. Even though we've been flat all year, I still think that 4% is a very reasonable presumption to make. It does seem that new home sales are really starting to take a beating though, especially in the higher priced areas like Summerlin. With flat appreciation and such premium prices for new homes, it looks like buyers are starting to be fearful that these new homes may not be able to hold their values. When the market's on fire like it's been these past few years, nobody really ever worries about future value because everything's going up. But now that we're regaining normalcy, buyers are certainly being more cautious. Now, ego aside, it's very difficult to argue the value of purchasing a resale home right now. Well, that's it for this month's quick update video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of the May, and I'll see you guys all next month.